take the worst case scenario. Somebody's at a review hearing today and their license gets revoked. They then have 21 days to appeal that decision to the Magistrates Court. If at the end of that 21 days they have not bothered to appeal, the revocation kicks in from that day. So the alcohol must go from that after the 21 days. But you've got a 3-week grace period to make your appeal. As long as you've made your appeal within that 21 days, that revocation never happens. You continue with your license right up until you go before the magistrate. And what happens in an appeal is you are going to the magistrate and saying the council made a wrong decision. You're not saying, please hear my case again. You're saying the council has made a wrong decision for the following reasons. So it becomes you versus the council in the Magistrates Court. And the council will then go out and employ barristers to act on their behalf. So as the applicant, if you like, or the person who's had the license revoked, would have to do same and go out and employ a barrister. Now, I work very closely with the leading licensing barrister in the country. And in these situations, we work together. He takes on the role of appearing in court and arguing the case, but I will do a lot of the background work, the groundwork and so forth, and provide him with the information he needs to argue the case in court. There are two things that weigh against an appeal. One is the timescales. It's not uncommon for you to wait 6, 9, 12 months before you get before a magistrate. The second one is cost. You are into at least 5-figure sum. It wouldn't be a 6-figure sum, but could be quite, it's not just into a 5, it could be quite high into the 5 figures. The other downside is if you lose your appeal, the council could stand up and say, we'd like to apply for costs, please, Your Honour. This should never have come to appeal. And the magistrate could award costs for the council. So you as the applicant then have not only got your own costs, but you have to pay the council costs as well. So it can be a very, very expensive process. The good side of it is, as I said, it can take 6, 9, 12. I've had one that took 18 months to get to before a magistrate. You continue to sell alcohol during that period of time. So they're bonus sales. Every alcohol sale you take from this point on is actually a bonus to you. So put that money aside and use it to pay for your appeal. When you eventually get to a magistrate 12 months since the event took place, or 12 months since the revocation took place, what you're going to the magistrate in 12 months' time is saying, that may have happened then, but we've put our house in order now, and the magistrate is dealing with the application based on how you are now. So there's a lot of work done in that period of time where you put things in place that ensure that what went wrong the last time can never happen again. You put something in place that says, it's not going to happen again, so we're not a risk anymore. It's a weird state of affairs. So the magistrate is dealing on how the premises are trading at this moment in time, not how they were trading 12 months ago. And the only time I ever advise people to appeal a decision is when there's a revocation involved, because you've nowhere else to go. If your license is gone and you don't do anything about it, that's it, it's gone. And you as an individual are very unlikely to get it back having had it revoked.